along really well with like other birds, so they're very social and like they're not aggressive, and so they've like staked out their niche, and especially in Brooklyn, they're like all over Brooklyn, and so I decided that they deserve this song.
Yay! Yay,
It's called the Parrots of Avenue J. They should have left NYC weeks ago, but South Florida's way too slow. They hop up and down and they squawk a lot, 'cause that telephone wire is awful hot. Those Brooklyn worms are yum, yum, yum. They build big nests using bubble gum. Coney Island's not too far. They poop on the heads of the kids in the cyclone car. The Parrots of Avenue J, they like to and they always stay. They fly on the Sabbath, but the Jews don't mind. They hit up the hipsters in Bushwick for bacon rind. They filch pierogies on Brighton Beach. What they don't know, you can't teach. The Parrots of Avenue J, they like to play, and they always stay. San Francisco's got 'em. They even made a movie. But on Avenue J, they're way more groovy. They check out the Christmas lights in Dyker Heights. Then a drive-by at a fish fry in Old Bed-Stuy. The Parrots of Avenue J, they like to play. They escape from JFK and decide to stay.